Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Erica and I create beauty videos, hair videos, as well as lifestyle videos. So if any of those things interest you, definitely consider subscribing to my channel by clicking that subscribe button down below for me. Also, do not forget to turn your post notifications on and make sure you click all to see all my uploads. So I'm not gonna hold you guys. Today we are going to be doing a chunky flat twist out. This came out perfect in my eyes, and I'm just a chunky flat twist out person. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, then definitely stay tuned. Alright you guys, so we are starting out on blown out hair. I did use some heat on my hair this round, but mostly I just let it air dry and then went through with a blow dryer. So we're going to be sectioning off our hair. As always, you know how I do this, you guys. So I like to start down the middle and then I go down these sides, and we are going to be doing 4 sections for this. So I'm starting off in the back of my head. I'm going to take this one section. We're going to be splitting this into 2, and we're going to begin our flat twisting process, you guys. Like, I consider this to be a very easy style to manage and to keep up with throughout your week. So I'm going to be using the ADA Haircare product. I'm going to be using the Chebe butter. If you have not seen my perm rod video, you guys, she's everything. Like, I cannot, like, she's just everything. It's so lightweight. To be a butter, extremely lightweight, and my hair feels so soft and just so weightless and just very, very light. It does not weigh down your hair. So I'm going to be flat twisting, y'all. I am not the best flat twister, okay? I can, especially in the back. Like, I have a hard time twisting and braiding my hair because I have short fingers. Like, I have small hands and short fingers. But like I said, I do what I can. The results always come out, you know, the way I like it. So I continue to do it until, like, you know, I get better. You know, we gotta practice these things. So I'm going to be twisting one side of my head, you guys, and then I'm going to be doing the other side off camera. So yeah, stay tuned. So once we have both sides twisted, you guys, I'm putting on my satin. This is kind of like a do-rag. I got this from Walmart like years ago. This is the only thing that stays on my head. Like, anytime I try to use a bonnet, no matter the size, child, the bonnet wakes up looking at me. This is the only thing that works. Like, I don't understand. But it is the next day, and I am using my ADA Hair Products. Once again, y'all, I love her products. This is the Chebe Oil, and I'm using that to do my takedown. So yeah, we just going to untwist everything. We're going to fluff everything, and y'all, we're gonna get into these results. We're gonna get into these results. So this is the finished look, you guys. I hope y'all like this chunky twist style as much as I do. This is like a go-to for me. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and as always, I will see y'all in my next video.